Work hard, stay disciplined, and be patient. Your time will come. You can be everything. You can be the infinite amount of things that people are. A knife cuts through only when it is sharp, so remember to stay sharp. Life is very complicated. Do not try to find answers because when you find answers, life change the questions. It's going to happen because I am going to make it happen. Sometimes it's very hard to move on, but believing in yourself is the first secret to success. Do not try to be perfect, try to be better than you were yesterday. Make the most of the best and the least of the worst. Long term pain is worthy of permanent success. When you can build your future or destroy it, everything depends on your hard work.